Hi, this is Karen here. So I created a YouTube video a couple of months back and it went viral. In that video, I was teaching people how to upload their digital product on Seller. And there was a lot of feedback. People kept asking me, how do you create a digital product? So there are different ways you can create a digital product, right? You can use Canva, which I use. You can also use Google Doc. So sometimes I use Google Doc when I want to sell my product on Paystack because it gives you like a link, like you're able to generate a link so people can just go and download. And then I use Canva when I, for example, like when I designed my book, I use Canva. When I designed like my e-guide, I use Canva. So you can pretty much use either of those tools to create your digital product. But for the purpose of this session, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a digital product on Canva. Then you can upload it on Seller or Paystack or wherever it is that you want to sell your digital product. I already have an account with Canva, so I'm sort of already signed in. I'm using the free version. So if you don't have an account, you just have to create an account with Canva. Anything I'm doing on Canva, I try to make it very simple. So I just come here and I say e-guide. You can use anything you want to use. Ebook. Ebook. There's already existing templates. So look at all the templates that exist. You can use any one of these templates to create, especially if you want to design. So I'm just going to choose this one and start working. I want to make my book. Let's talk about the girl child. So I have like Canva has already given me different pages, so I can switch things around. I can use my picture. If I say, okay, I don't want this picture to be here, I can switch it and use my own picture that's already existing in my Canva page. Canva is very easy to use. As a creator, I think that that's one thing that you should know how to use Canva. Sometimes you can decide, I can decide I want to change the background, I want to make it white, whatever it is. There are different templates that you can use. And then when you're done with everything, you name your documents. So let's just say, since we're already going with girl child, let's say girl child, girl child. And then you click on share. So when you click on share, download, so you can download the document as a standard PDF. You can either download it, you can download that standard PDF or a print PDF. But here you download and you have your book. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. I use this to create books. I use this to create e-guides. There are other ways as well. If you feel like you don't want to use this route, maybe you want to write it as a document, that's fine. Canva allows you to do that as well. So you just come to doc, you click on doc, and then as you click on doc, it just opens as a document. Then you start to type. You can add an image. Maybe you feel like you want to add a design or something, you can add an image and say, okay, I feel like I want to add an image here. You can add your image here, crop it or whatever it is you want to do, make it smaller. You can add your image, make it wider, whatever it is, and then you start typing the girl child. It's very easy, very, very easy. You can copy whatever it is you already have in your Word document. Canva allows you to add like several images, allows you to design it, and at the end of the day, after you're done, you can come back, have as many pages as you want. It works like normal Word. If you know how to use Word documents, you won't struggle with this at all. If you're good at using Word documents, you won't struggle with this. Change the name here and then come here to download as a standard document. Voila. Then you upload your document on Seller. Very simple. If you watched it, that was very easy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know what else you would like me to teach you.